There's two of them.
Two of them there.
There's two of them there. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at that.
This is definitely better than working in that grades, Dave.
You're right, it is, Lance.
On a day like today.
Right there.
You're right.
Sovereign, let's see that green.
Look at that.
Here comes another one. There it is. Maybe.
Not gonna do it.
There it is.
Oh, just a wave.
Half a flip. There's the other
There's
one.
the other one. Look at that. Oh yeah, they're waving. Ain't over here. Two of them, yeah.
Wow.
That's awesome. Look at that.
That was a big one. Look at this husband.
It's amazing. Thank you, Captain Darrell. Might as well get in this one, Captain Darrell. Thank you, buddy.
Flip over now, get a breath.
What power, eh? What good footage.
That's awesome.
Come on here and listen to it, Dennis.
There's some good footage.
Listen to this. Listen to this.
Feel like Dave Suzuki.
You look just like Dave Suzuki.
Yeah. Bet you those guys are hot over there with them survival suits on.
Look at the white.
Yes, sir. Look at that.
$10, I could send you guys this footage.
Show of a lifetime there, boys.
You're right, it is.
It's a half turn.
No wave.
Here comes our again.
Look at that.
That does a little one, he said. That big one's coming.
There's a straight.
Looking right at you.
Getting their money's worth over there in that boat.
We are too.
Look at that. Sweat their asses off in this. We should have had some of them when we put them on. You would have too. Alright, I'm ready.
There's a good one.
Again, look at you.
I'm recording it.
Shannon said they're doing the same thing at the head. Where's that at? Over at the light.